Yeah, we have to stay around here. You can walk on to the other side. You can walk to the other side, all the way across. No, I mean not down there. Like across there.
Across here?
No, look at Mammy. You can go to the other side. Walk all the way across. There you go. Are you getting a bunch of water in your boots? Oh, Branton's gonna be jealous that he didn't get to come. Do you have water all down in your boots? Whoa! Now walk slow in the deeper parts. Like that's the deep part. Walk slow so it won't get all in your boots. Not that I think you care.
It's the little part.
You can walk up that way a little bit. Davis, look at Mammy. What are you doing? Why are you getting out? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, no, you will fall if you do that.